In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit contact information on Yahoo Mail. Keeping your contacts up to date makes emailing smoother, prevents bounced messages, and helps you quickly recognize who's reaching out. I'll walk you through the process in a clear, simple way, using the Yahoo Mail web experience. Start by logging into your Yahoo Mail account in a web browser. Once you're signed in, look for the contacts icon, which looks like a person or an address book. Depending on your layout and screen size, you'll find it either in the left sidebar or along the top navigation. Click it to open your address book. Now find the contact you want to update. If you have a long list, use the search bar to quickly narrow it down. Typing a few characters of the name usually brings it right up. When you see the right entry, click the contact's name to open their details page. This gives you a quick snapshot of the information already on file. Next, look for the More Options icon, which appears as 3 dots near the contact's details. Click those 3 dots, then choose Edit Contact from the menu. This opens the editing view, where you can make changes safely before saving them. From here, update whatever fields you need. You can adjust the name to match the way you prefer to see it in your inbox. Double-check the email address carefully. One misplaced character can send messages to the wrong place or cause them to bounce. If you're adding or correcting a phone number, make sure the format is clear and includes the correct country or area information if needed. For addresses, enter the street, city, and postal details as consistently as possible so you can search and sort them later. You can also add or replace the contact's photo. Choose a clear headshot so it's easy to recognize the person at a glance in your contacts. When you're done, click Save to apply your changes. Yahoo Mail may show a brief confirmation to let you know everything went through. The updated details will now appear wherever you use that contact, including when you start composing a new message. If the update doesn't appear right away, give it a moment and then revisit the contact list. That's all there is to it. Log in, open contacts, pick the person you want, use the 3-dot menu to select Edit Contact, make your changes, and click Save. Keeping your contacts current takes only a few seconds and saves time every time you email them. Thanks for watching.